Have you ever wondered how Reiki works? Is it simply a placebo effect, or is there something more to this form of energy healing? In today's episode, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Reiki and explore the scientific and spiritual principles that make it possible. Get ready to discover how Reiki can help you achieve balance, harmony, and optimal health. What is Reiki? Reiki is a Japanese form of energy healing that originated in the early 20th century. The word Reiki is composed of two Japanese characters, Rei, meaning spiritual, and Ki, meaning energy or life force. Thus, Reiki can be translated as spiritual energy. This form of alternative medicine involves the use of a universal life force energy to promote healing and relaxation. How does Reiki work? The human body is a complex network of energy, and when it comes to healing, it's essential to address the root causes of illness and disease. Reiki practitioners believe that illness often stems from negative energy, emotional trauma, or imbalances in the flow of energy within the body. Reiki is based on the principle that all living things are composed of energy, and this energy can be manipulated to bring about healing. When the energy flow is blocked or unbalanced, it can lead to physical, mental, or emotional problems. Reiki aims to restore the natural balance of energy in the body, promoting overall well-being. The science behind Reiki. While Reiki is often associated with spirituality and alternative medicine, there is a growing body of scientific research that suggests it may have real therapeutic benefits. One of the ways Reiki is thought to work is by stimulating the body's natural healing mechanisms. When we are sick or injured, our bodies naturally produce chemicals and hormones that help us heal. Reiki is believed to amplify these natural healing processes, leading to faster and more effective healing. Additionally, Reiki may help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that Reiki can help alleviate chronic pain, which is often caused by inflammation. By reducing inflammation, Reiki can help alleviate pain and promote overall healing. Furthermore, Reiki is thought to work on the mind-body connection. Our thoughts and emotions can have a powerful impact on our physical health. Reiki is believed to help calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety, which can contribute to illness and disease. By reducing stress and anxiety, Reiki can help create a more positive environment for healing to occur. Spiritual aspects of Reiki. While the scientific research on Reiki is promising, it's important to acknowledge the spiritual aspects of this practice. Reiki is often seen as a complementary therapy to traditional medicine, and many people who practice Reiki do so within a spiritual context. Reiki is based on the belief that all living things are connected and that we are all part of a greater whole. This belief system can be comforting to many people, and the sense of connection that Reiki promotes can be an important part of the healing process. Can anyone learn Reiki? Yes, anyone can learn Reiki. It is a simple and natural healing method that does not require any special skills or talents to learn. There are several levels of Reiki, and each level builds upon the previous one. At the beginner level, you will learn the basic hand positions and techniques for performing Reiki. As you progress to the advanced levels, you will learn more complex techniques and how to work with different energy centers in the body. Is Reiki safe? Yes, Reiki is a safe and gentle form of healing that can be used by people of all ages. It is a non-invasive technique that does not involve any manipulation or massage of the body. Reiki is also not a substitute for medical treatment, but it can be used as a complementary therapy alongside conventional medicine. Conclusion: Reiki is a powerful form of energy healing that has been practiced for centuries. It is based on the principle that illness and disease are often caused by negative energy or imbalances in the flow of energy in the body. Reiki aims to restore the natural balance of energy, promoting overall health and well-being. While the scientific research on Reiki is still limited, there is growing evidence to suggest that it may have real therapeutic benefits. Whether you are looking to complement your current health regimen or are simply curious about energy healing, Reiki may be worth exploring. So why not give Reiki a try and experience the potential benefits for yourself? You may just be surprised at what this ancient form of healing has to offer. Thank you for joining me on this journey of self-discovery and healing. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Together, we can unlock the power of Reiki and transform our lives for the better.